Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video, okay, let's address the elephant in the room. As you can see, I'm not where I usually film, obviously. So like, my camera battery is like dead, and I like don't know where my battery charger for my camera charger. I don't know where my battery is for my charger for my camera. I don't know where it is. So, anyway, so I don't really know. I just was like wanting to sit down and like do some makeup and film since I haven't filmed in like 5 days or like posted anything. So I guess I'm just gonna be like talking about random shit and also doing my makeup. I'm going to be using this palette that I got a couple of days ago. It is the Life is Drag palette by Manny Way, Lunar Beauty. Excuse me. First of all, bitch. Okay. Love that. So I'm gonna be looking either right there or right there. Usually right there because that's my big mirror and this is my small mirror. And yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna like change it throughout the video because yeah, it's been 6 minutes of me filming and I haven't started shit. So I'm gonna go in with this palette, the Life's a Drag palette, and I'm going to go in. Well, actually, as you can see, I already did my brows and cut out my crease, and then I actually set it with this white shade right here called Cake Face already. But now I'm gonna go in with my 518 brush and go with Sickening. Oh my god, first impressions! I love this. Um, let's get on with it. I just feel like I have to like energy max energy. So I'm actually gonna go in with Hunty and then Mug. Oh wait, or should I just go in with Mug right now? I'm gonna go in with like this shade, this shade, this shade, this shade, and this shade, and maybe pop some. Oh no, bitch! I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a half cut crease like a basic bitch. Okay, I don't know if the angle switched up. I don't really care, because I'm back. Anyway, so what I was talking about is how school starting in 2 weeks, which sucks ass. I'm becoming a sophomore. Bitch. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be one of those YouTubers that are like, get rid of me first day of sophomore year plus vlog. That's gonna be my title. Yeah. And yeah, since this week I'm probably just gonna be staying home and drinking this, probably by tomorrow. I'm just gonna be filming. Actually, yeah. Fuck, I'm smart. That's gonna be my routine. I'm gonna film at night, edit in the morning, post in the day, relax throughout the day, then at night time I'll start filming again. I love this. Sorry, I was just checking to see if I wasn't ugly. Still am, but that's okay. Okay, I am going to go and cut my crease, and I'll be back. Okay, this is such a fucking weird camera, but so I'm editing and obviously, and I realized that I did not even show you what colors I'm using for the video and for my eye look, so I just thought I could show you right now. Yeah. So the first shade that I went in with was Cake Face, and that's what I set my eyes with, and I also set my half cut crease with. And then I went in with Sickening, then I went in with Hunchy, then I went in with Mug, and then after Mug, I went in with Trade. Then after Trade, I cut out my crease, which you're about to see, and then I went back in with Mug, and then I kind of like blended that together, and now I'm applying Legendary. So yeah. Okay, so I cut my crease out, and now I'm applying Legendary with the brush that came with the palette because I'm trying to be resourceful, use what I have, And I am just putting that on my lid. For primer, I got the Professional primer with the cap on it. That's great. And I'm going to use some of this. Just watch, just watch, just watch. Can you focus on my skin, my face? Pores are gone. Like, they're literally gone, like, in a second. Like, they're all gone in, like, a second. I'm going to be using this foundation right here. This is just the Maybelline Foundation, the new one, the Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. Up to 24 fucking hours. Sorry, I'm just gonna, like, see, like, it literally, like, takes away the pores in your skin. Let's see if it covers up these pimples, though. Gone. This is not, oh, this is not that bad. Yeah, this is, like, a good, color match. I never know the exact amount of foundation I have to put on my forehead. Like, I don't know if anyone else struggles with this, but this is just one of my struggles, is that when I put on foundation on my forehead, I am always either using too less and I have to go with more pumps, and then like, once I do that, once I think I have, like, not enough on my forehead, then I get a bigger pump than the one that's last, but then that pump is too much foundation, and then I have to blend that around everywhere, and it's just so, and oh my god, I'm gonna do a fashion haul. Oh my god, a back to school haul. Fuck, I'm so basic, but I'm gonna do that since I'm ordering so many new clothes. And also, my friend Grace, she has just totally inspired me with my clothes recently. Like, I don't know, I just feel like, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna go in with Tarte Shape Tape for concealer and shade Light Sand. But yeah, I'm getting, like, so many new clothes, and I'm, like, being more adventurous with my clothing, in which case, and, like, my style, and, like, I love that for me so much, because, you know, clothes are a way of expressing who you are. I'm not a typical fucking boy, no tea, no shade, but, like, every single fucking guy at my school dresses the exact same, acts like they get all the fucking pussy they want, like, all the pussy they can get, like, if they all, like, literally, like, look the fucking same, and, like, there's, like, well, yeah, there is, but, like, beauty tip, I'm getting off topic, but when you put concealer here, actually, no, bitch, I've seen beauty, like, no, not beauty people, but I've seen people when they put on makeup, they put it here, and, like, on their nose, like, not on their forehead, or not, like, here, or not here. Bitch, let me just tell you, you can use, like, I don't know, like, a really, like, light concealer, but you have to put it in these areas of your face, like, under your eyes, on your nose, up here, here, and here, because, like, and also, yeah, you have to do that just because, like, everything will match, you know, if you just put it here, on your nose, and you don't put it here, then when you put on bronzer, or, like, literally the rest of your face will be fucking, like, dark, like, all right here, and it's just, that's not cute, you know, so you need to put it everywhere, just a little tip. Okay, so now that we have the base, done, I'm gonna go in with my Airspun powder in Translucent Extra Coverage. Literally, I've been using this powder for 3 years now, like, I have not had any other powder in my life, like, I've used Laura Mercier, like, a couple times, but, like, this has been my powder, like, I've literally used this powder for, yeah, for, like, 3 fucking years, so I love this powder so much. Translucent Extra Coverage is so fucking good, bitch. Like, this sets, you set it and forget, you know what I'm saying? Like, this will keep, if you bake with this does not give me flashback, ever. I don't know, bro, like, I think everyone should have this powder. Now I'm gonna go in with the Contour Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to be using the banana powder. I'm going to be using this powder to brighten up the under eyes, just an eensy bit, because that's, like, what I like doing with my skin. Like, I love brightening up the under eye, because it can really just, like, make a face. So yeah, I think I'm going to go in with this bronzer. This is the Anastasia bronzer in Rosewood. I haven't used this bronzer in so fucking long. What brush do I want to use? I'm going to go in with the Morphe 500 brush and take this and just start bronzing on my face. greenish skin, so I'm going to be using the ColourPop highlighter in Lunch Money. I fucking love this highlighter so much. It's so good, and I'm using the 510 brush. It usually doesn't look like this. It's usually supposed to be like tapered up, but also I kind of wash my brushes, and I don't, that was a bad idea. I left them standing up, so now they're all flared out, and that's okay. I love the 510 brush. No, this is the 501 brush. The 510 brush is a different brush. With the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit, probably my favorite fucking glow kit, to be honest. That's the tea. That's the scoop, because I love all these colors. Like, Marshmallow is a white highlighter, but it reflects off yellow. Butterscotch is this one. Butterscotch is a gold fucking highlighter that I love. Starburst is a pink highlighter, and Gumdrop is like a highlighter that looks like your skin tone, but when you turn, it's pink. Like, fuck. Like, those are literally like all the highlighters that I love wearing. But I'm gonna go with the Butterscotch. Right now, we're gonna put that on there. Get glowy. Ooh, we should change up the color. Red now. No, I don't like red. Green. Should we just do white? Yeah, that's cute. And the tip of my nose. I love this. SVD lashes going back and forth. I love this. Bro, like, I literally did not open these yet, and I haven't even cut them yet. Like, I totally forgot that I bought this pair. And I ordered some new ones. Is that the lash for today? Yeah. So I'm going to use my the Bff Lipliner from ColourPop. It is the shit. I use this for all my lipsticks, well, all my nudes, but that's all my lipsticks. Actually, I'm just gonna paint my whole lips this color. Yes, oh my god, yeah, I did this a couple days ago, and I love this as like a lipstick. Like BFF, I don't know if they have a lipstick of this, but if they do, I'm gonna buy that. Fuck. Okay, so now we're gonna do a little bit of setting spray. I'm gonna use the Morphe setting spray. This is my favorite setting spray. So fuck yeah. Fuck, I can't move. Okay guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. It's gonna be here. I don't really fucking know which one it is. It's one or the other. Turn on the post notifications. Follow me on all my social medias. Follow me on all my social media accounts. They'll all be listed down below. Turn on your post notifications. I really hope you had fun watching me doing my makeup and being trash. So yeah, I don't really know what else to say except for thank you so much for watching this video. Like, thank you for watching this video. Like, I really appreciate you watching this video. Like, I sometimes get like no fucking views, but I still appreciate all the views I can get, because that means people think that there's something, I guess. I don't fucking know what I'm saying, but thank you so much for watching this video. And yeah, as I said, subscribe, like, comment. I think I told you to comment something earlier. I forgot what it was, to be honest. But comment what I told you to comment, and follow me on all my social media accounts. And thank you so much for watching this video. Check out my other two videos. That will be like here, or here, and then my subscribe button. You know, everything will just be like right here for you to see. So, yeah. That's not good.